Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Conversation channel. I'm Emily.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul with Emily.
Today, we talk about the news in easy English.
Yes, news is everywhere on TV, on phones, on social media.
But talking about news in English can feel scary.
Don't worry, we help you step by step.
This lesson is great for beginners, A1 and A2 level.
We use simple words, short sentences, real conversations.
So you can talk with friends or coworkers or classmates.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more English practice.
Ready to start? Let's go.
Paul, do you follow the news?
Yes, I do. I check the news every morning.
That's great. Many people start conversations with news.
Yes, it's a very common topic.
Let's learn how to start.
A simple way is this.
Did you see the news?
That's a great sentence. Very easy.
You can also say, what's in the news today?
Nice. Both are natural.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me, learners. Did you see the news?
Good job.
Now repeat this sentence again, learners. What's in the news today?
Excellent. Well done. Now someone answers you.
Yes, keep it short and clear.
For example, you can say, I saw some news about the weather.
Or, there was news about sports today.
Very easy sentences. Let's try a small dialogue.
Okay, I'll start. Emily, did you see the news?
Yes, I saw some news about the weather.
Nice answer. Simple and clear.
Thank you.
You can change the topic word,
Like politics, health, or technology.
but beginners should keep it easy.
Yes, no long words, no stress.
Let's practice together again.
Repeat after me, learners. I saw some news about sports.
Great.
Now this one. I saw some news about the weather.
Exactly. Well done.
News is not only information.
Yes, we also share feelings.
Very important point.
You can say how the news makes you feel.
Here are some easy feeling words.
Happy, sad, surprised, worried.
Let's use them in sentences. For example, the news made me happy.
Or, I feel worried about the news. Short and natural.
Let's do a dialogue.
Okay.
I saw some news about the weather.
Oh, really? How do you feel?
I feel worried about the storm.
That's a good example.
Thank you.
Let's help our viewers practice.
Repeat after me, learners. The news made me happy.
Nice work.
Now this one. I feel worried about the news.
Pause and repeat.
Excellent.
Good conversations have questions.
Yes, questions show interest.
Here are some easy ones.
What happened?
When did it happen?
Where did it happen?
Very simple question words.
Let's use them. Paul, did you see the news?
Yes, I saw news about sports.
Oh, what happened?
My team won a big game.
Nice, short and clear.
Thank you.
Viewers, your turn. Repeat this question. What happened?
Pause and repeat.
Now this one. Where did it happen?
Pause and repeat.
Now let's share opinions, but keep them easy.
Yes, no long speeches.
You can say, I think it's good, or I think it's bad,
You can also say, I don't like this news.
or I like this news.
Very honest, very natural.
Let's try. Paul, I saw news about a new park.
Oh, I think it's good.
Why?
It's good for families.
Nice reason. Simple words.
Thank you.
Now, practice at home. Repeat after me, learners. I think it's good.
Pause and repeat.
Now this one. I don't like this news.
Pause the video and repeat.
Now it's your turn to speak, learners. We will ask questions.
Answer out loud at home.
You can pause the video to give answers.
Question 1. Did you see the news today?
Pause. Answer now.
Question 2. What was the news about?
Pause. Answer now.
Question 3. How do you feel about the news?
Great. Last question. Do you like this news? Amazing effort.
Let's review today's lesson.
You learned how to start a news conversation.
You learned how to share news simply.
You learned how to share feelings and opinions.
And you practiced speaking out loud.
That's very important for confidence.
Yes, speaking is a skill.
Please practice in the comments.
Write one sentence about today's news. We love to read your comments.
And read other comments too.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe for more easy English conversations.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.